Hi, thank you for purchasing the course. You've made the right decision. I will teach you tips and tricks to generate more traffic to your store and boost the sales of your store with affiliate programs. In this video, you will learn the basics, the intricacies, and everything in between. I'm going to teach you how to generate massive traffic by conducting your own affiliate program to boost traffic to your site. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with a brief summary of what affiliate programs are all about. An affiliate program is a program where you, as the product vendor, pay a commission to your affiliate when they've made sales. If you're not a product vendor, you can join other people's affiliate programs to earn commission on sales of their product. To make a long story short, it's an online sales program. Product vendors want to sell their product, and affiliates promote the product to earn commission from the sales. In this case, to generate traffic to your store, you will conduct your own affiliate program to attract the affiliates to promote your store for you. An affiliate will send traffic to your store from their subscribers list. In return, they get paid a commission. This is a great way to generate traffic to your store because you only pay the affiliates whenever a purchase is made through them. When you conduct your own affiliate program, you can boost the traffic to your store. At the same time, you get to boost your sales. Both of these factors are closely related to each other. With Shopify, you can keep track of the traffic to your stores in the Shopify dashboard. As I've mentioned, if the traffic to your store increases, the higher your chances of increasing your sales. When you receive an affiliate request, I highly recommend that you filter the affiliates. Pick only those who are in the same niche as yours. Focus on quality instead of quantity. When you get quality traffic, sales could be boosted as well. Last but not least, when you conduct your own affiliate program, you only pay for results. When they make sales, you pay the commission. You don't need to pay them for the promotion because it's a commission-based program, meaning the cost to start your own affiliate program is zero. You only need to pay when their subscribers purchase your product. I will now show you step by step how the whole affiliate process works. First things first, after the affiliates have their request approved by you, they will then mail out your offer to their subscribers. You can prepare swipe emails and other promotional tools for them to mail out. I will talk about the promotional tools later in this chapter. Next, the subscribers will then click on the link and be directed to your store. The first scenario is the subscriber does not make a purchase and leaves your store. In this case, you don't need to pay the affiliate. The second scenario is the subscriber makes a purchase. In this case, you will then pay a commission to the affiliate. Now that you know the whole process and concept of how an affiliate program runs, the next question that you may be asking is, how do I keep track of which affiliate makes the sale? How do I keep track of who gets the commission? Here's the solution. Use the Shopify affiliate program. Shopify provides an in-house affiliate program that links to Shopify. You can conduct your affiliate program with Shopify and get notified by Shopify whenever there's an affiliate request or sales. Instead of searching other platforms to conduct the affiliate program, start one with Shopify. As I've mentioned, you should provide promotional tools for the affiliates. This could be one of the factors that attracts the affiliate to join your program. The promotional tools are provided to make promotions easier for the affiliates. What you'll need to provide is swipe emails and banners, graphics, and videos if you have them. Swipe emails are promotional emails that your affiliate sends to their subscribers. It's best if you can write in a generic tone and voice, so then the affiliate can reword them to suit their subscribers. Banners, graphics, and videos are provided for them to put on the promotional page or review page that they lead their subscribers to. All these graphic elements directly represent your brand, which is why you would not want them to use their own graphics on the promotional page. Besides waiting for affiliates to join your program, there are other methods to recruit affiliates. Instead of being passive and waiting for them to come, you can join Facebook groups, both closed and open, to approach affiliates first. When you're on Facebook, search the keyword affiliate or Shopify on Facebook and look for a group that suits you. It's a great way to network too. You can participate in some forums as well. Search keyword affiliate or Shopify to look for a community of affiliate vendors. After you've joined the groups, you must first demonstrate your dedication and credibility, so the others will return the favor. For instance, help them with their promotions first. However, when you're looking for Facebook groups and forums to join, make sure that they're active. You don't want to join a group where no updates are being made. In addition, read the About section to know what the group is all about before you join them. Here are some tips for you to attract more affiliates to join you. First, emphasize the benefits of joining your affiliate program. When the affiliate goes to the affiliate page that you've prepared, first thing they're looking for is what they can gain from your program. They ask, "What's in it for me?" This is exactly what you should focus on. It's the same technique used by marketers on their sales page. When selling, after telling the what, you have to answer the why. Why should they buy from you? The same thing applies here with the affiliates. There are hundreds of other affiliate programs they can take part in, so why should they choose yours? Second, a simple sign-up process is definitely a must. Collect only necessary information, such as name, an email address, and ID. It saves their time as well as yours. Third, filter and then talk to appropriate affiliates. Even though there are many affiliates, not all of them are suitable for your program. You should filter them according to niche and pick only those who are in the same niche as you. If you can, talk to them to get a better understanding of who they are.